check out what we just picked up today, guys. We got the GoPro Fusion. About to go do an unboxing of it, and then I'm about to head to Ryan's, and we're gonna go shoot some footage and drive around and do all kinds of stuff, maybe do some burnouts. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun one. Here we are sitting with the GoPro Fusion. I know it's not a car video, but check it out. We're gonna be using this to make a lot of cool videos for the car, so it's close enough. I thought you guys would wanna see it. I can't not make a video on this. I've been so excited since I realized that this came out. I had no idea it existed until about a couple months ago, or a month ago, and now I got one. Pretty cool. So we're gonna head out later today with the Fusion on top of the Green Hornet and go drive some windy country roads and get some footage. Be looking for that video as well. Probably drop a link in the description for that. But yeah, guys, this is it, the GoPro Fusion. Let's take a closer look at it here. See what we're working with. Nice box, real cool. Cosmo wants to see it too. Hey Cosmo. Well, now that Cosmo's helping us out, let's take a look at this GoPro Fusion. The box is really nice. If we get a little closer in here, we can see it's 18 megapixels and 360. The lens on both sides of the camera. Now you are going to need to use 2 SD cards in this, so keep that in mind. It records 5.2K in 30 frames per second, 3K in 60 frames per second. It does voice control, so you can talk to the camera, tell it when to start and stop recording. It's got 1080p 30 frames per second overcapture. I believe overcapture is a software that you will use to pick the best video footage and to put your 360 footage together. It says there below 1080p 30 frames per second, 720 and 60 frames. You can see the waterproofing there at 16 feet or 5 meters. Depending on what side of the pond you are on. 360-degree surround sound. Now I'm curious about that. It sounds like some fancy way to say that it just records sound in all directions, but 360-degree surround sound could be pretty cool. You get a little shot of the camera itself right there, and you can see both lenses on the side. You can look at the app back here. Now I know you can also do a lot of cool stuff with the GoPro app. I've heard mixed reviews on the GoPro app itself. You all know what to expect with that stuff. So I'm excited for this GoPro Fusion, guys. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. We will also do a review on this camera, and like I said, we're gonna put some cool footage together later today as well. So be looking for that. Check the links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Let's check out the GoPro Fusion. Okay guys, we're back. We're going big hoss with our knife today. So here we go. How do we get into this thing? Looks like we got a seal right back here. Oh, gotta be careful here. There we go. And another seal on this side. We can get our blade in there without cutting ourselves. There we go. Pull the top off. Yeah, there she is. I gotta say, this is one of the better GoPro unboxing experiences that I have had. You can actually get the box open without a fight or having to know the secret trick to pulling out the whole thing from the inside. So good job, GoPro. Better packaging. I dig it. So right away, the camera is just chilling. Oh wow, this feels really nice. Really good weight. Feels like it should feel. It feels like it weighs exactly what it should weigh. And the material on the outside. Now I assumed it would just be like the same silicone rubber or whatever it is that's on the GoPro Hero 5s and stuff. But no, this is different. It looks the same, but this is a lot more smooth. This is really cool. Let's keep going through the box here. Set this off to the side. Looks like we've got some documents here. Not sure if we'll need any of that, but good to have. We pull apart our first layer of the box, and here is all the accessories that you get with it. Now these are cool. These are bigger, more heavy-duty mount. It looks like it will fit in your regular GoPro mount, but it's cool that they give you these as well. Stick that off to the side. Looks like you got a round one as well as a rectangular one with the rounded edges. There's your round one, rectangular, rounded edges. USB-C. This device is charged with a USB-C cable connected to a computer or anything with USB-C. Put that off to the side. Case to put the camera in. Now this is really nice that they gave you this. I wish they did this with every GoPro. Stick that there. We've got our battery. Now if you'll notice, the battery is a lot bigger. We got our little screw here for your mounts. And this, which I think is probably the coolest thing they could have put in here. This is their standing grip tripod extendable thingy. I know that's a complicated name that I just came up with, but we're gonna stick with it. Now how do we get this off? Come on. All right, GoPro, the unboxing experience was going great until you gave me this thing that can't come off. Hell, all right, there we go. Okay. Get out of here. This is your stand, tripod, extendable thingy that they give you. You open it up from the bottom there. You can extend it. Look how far out this goes. Pretty cool, right? Now you got a little tripod stand. I think this is probably the best thing they could have put in there. You're going to use this in so many scenarios. I actually have the shorty version of this, which this GoPro that I'm filming on right now, the GoPro Hero 5, is on. I use it all the time. So this is perfect for this camera. Power button here, your screen there. Got a mode button over here and another button there. Not sure what that does. That may open up the memory card section or something. Is that what it does? I don't know. We'll have to figure it all out. And we can take a nice little look at the case that they gave us too. Basic little case, but it's perfect for this. It works, you know, look at that. Okay, now this is interesting. Take a look at the camera here. Your mount on the bottom, it comes off. It looks like with those two little tabs there. Not sure exactly how to do that. Maybe that's what that button was for. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out, but that is cool. It looks like this mount piece on the bottom comes off. The case is actually made for with an opening there for the mount. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, there it is in the case. Take a look at our battery again real quick. Get it out of the packaging. Basically just a bigger Hero 5 battery. Got an extra battery here as well that I picked up with it. Our two mounts, USB-C cable, and our screw for putting it onto the mount, and that's it. That's everything that comes in the box, guys. So we went ahead and attached our camera up to our stand. There is one thing I do want to talk to you guys about real quick. So when I first pulled out of the box, I assumed that the stand was not working correctly. The shorty and the other stands, they hold themselves up as you extend it. For instance, when you pull this out, it will hold itself up. You notice this one just lets itself go right back down. Well, there's a reason for that. When you get all the way up to the top, if you turn it a little bit to the right, it'll hold. And it does that for each individual one, okay? You see these are still going in and out. Turn it to the right and you'll feel it. Now that one doesn't go in and out anymore, but this one does. Extend it again, turn to the right. Now all three of them are staying out. Just a quick little tidbit for you guys to remember: if your camera is falling down on the included stand, your stand is not broken, you just need to turn it a little to the right to lock it into place. So that's it, guys, the GoPro Fusion. We will be doing a review, a full overview of the features, how to work the camera. We're gonna head out right now, actually, and go do some driving with it. So we'll be doing a video about that as well. Be checking for that. We've got all kinds of other product videos, install videos, car shows, car installs, races, burnouts, all kinds of cool stuff is coming to the channel, and this camera is gonna be bringing it to you. So like, comment, subscribe, stick around, be part of the Green Hornet community. See you next time.